We are all born naked, honey. The rest is drag. Hello, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do drag makeup. This makeup was inspired by Ariel Versace, like a type of tutorial, and I didn't follow every step by step like she did. I kind of like did my own thing because it's my first time doing drag, so I just did my own damn thing, but it was certainly inspired by her, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I haven't tried this before. This is my first time trying it with you guys on camera, like honestly on camera. It's go big or go home. Go big or go home. I think this is just to get it all even. And I'm gonna go again with the glue stick and just to flatten it all out. The purpose of the glue is to flatten the brows. Now I'm gonna go with my black opal invisible powder. And then I'm just gonna press onto the brow. Ooh gosh. I've always seen that they always go with a darker shade of foundation. And this is like the darkest one that I have in my collection. It's the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effect. It's definitely darker than my complexion. And I always go with that full coverage. Oh, this is definitely dark. Ooh, child. Going with the powder again, just to cut those brows. Feels like it's showing a bit. So I'm gonna go with this gel liner. It's from Miss Signature, to just draw my brows, give it a good shape. As you can see, I already did one. And I'm gonna go with the brown in the middle. Get to the middle part. And I'm gonna go with the Sketches concealer. It's in the camouflage. This is like the pens one. Okay. And I'm also gonna go here just to give it a good shape. I'm gonna blend that one with the foundation. It's on, slightly blend it here. And then I'm gonna go with this translucent powder from Catrice. I'm gonna go with this palette. This is a new palette that I bought from GlamoreSA. I'm gonna go with this blue. I'm gonna mix this blue with the mint one. I'm just gonna tap it. And then I'm gonna take this purple one. I just wanna create that violet kind of type of blue. So I'm gonna go with this purple one here. I'm using the same brush, guys, because I just want it to kind of like blend it all together. different brush. That's fine. And I'm gonna go with this white shadow. Just to prevent it from creasing out. Totally forgot to do it on the side. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna go with the black shade. And just put it gently. Just feels like. I'm just gonna put the concealer under here before I do my here, just to get a proper contour. I'm gonna go with this pink shade for my lower lashes. Black opal invisible powder to just set my face. This sponge is so tiny, like the whole thing just digs inside. When I contour my face, I'm gonna go with this. The cover is just, this is the LA Girl Pro Contour. I powder brush to just blend all this out. So I'm gonna go with this LA Girl line art. Okay, I'm just gonna go put my eyelashes off camera and I'll be back. My camera died. You guys have to forgive me for that. But what I've done is, okay, I did put my eyelashes off camera and I used the same pink shade that I used for my lower lashes. I used that for here. Feel like adding a little bit more. Okay. And then also I went in with this highlighter from Catrice. So I used that one to highlight here, as you can see, and I've also put it on my nose and my cupid. I'm gonna go with this glitter. This glitter from Glamour Cosmetics. Ooh, I think that's filled too much. So here and here. Now is to line my lips. In the world of drag, what I've noticed is you have to overline your lips. Ah, I love it. Because you want your lips to be bigger. So I'm gonna go with the Kylie from Pink Cosmetics from Glamour. You guys know I'm obsessed with this type of nude. I'm gonna go with this. It's also like peachy Wet n Wild lip gloss. It's coral action. The final look. Ta-ding, ta-ding. So this was my first time doing drag makeup like ever. I tried it on camera in front of you guys, and yeah, this is the result. And I don't wear those 9 bundles and 10 bundles of wig, honey. This is drag with the dreads queen. Yeah, hashtag drag with the dreads. Yeah, I feel good. I look good. I look fabulous, and I feel good. I mean, like this, I don't think I'll ever go out with this type of makeup. This is not me. And so yeah, I'm a fan of drag. I'm a fan of RuPaul. I watch the drag queen race since I can't remember. I'm super fan, so I was like, I love this show so much, why don't I just create something like the drag? So yeah, so this was it. And yeah, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you also enjoyed it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel if you have never subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Love you guys.